Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter 8 factors and multiples introduction part. Today we are first concept is test of divisibility. With help of test of divisibility we come to know a number is divisible by which number. Okay, so see first divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. Means in ones place, if even numbers are there, then that number is divisible by 2. See, for example, 22, 34, 46, 68, 80. See, in even number in 22, 2 is there. In 34, in ones place, 4 is there. In 46, in ones place, 6 is there. In 68, in ones place, 8 is there. In 80, in ones place, 0 are there. So, these numbers are divisible by 2 when even number are there in ones place digit, so that numbers are divisible by 2. Now 11, 23, 35, 47 are not divisible by 2 because in ones place digit which digits are there? 1, 3, 5 and 7. They are odd numbers. They are not divisible by 2. Now divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of that number is divisible by 3. We will come to know number is divisible by 3 or not. What we will do, we will add that digit. If the answer of the digits is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. See, for example, 7365. First we will add. So 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. So first we have to see in 3 table 21 will come or not. Yes, it will come. 3 sevens are 21. So it is divisible. So 21 is divisible by 3 and 7365 is divisible by 3. Now second example, 7142. So now we will add 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Now we have to see in 3 table 14 will come or not. No, it will not come. So 14 is not divisible by 3 and 7142 is not divisible by 3. Now divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits of that number are either zeros or are divisible by 4. So we have to see when the number of the last two digits are 0 or are divisible by 4. See, for example, 2500 is divisible by 4 because see in last two digits which digits are there? 0. So it is divisible by 4. Now see second, 5132 is divisible by 4 because we have to see last two digit, it is 32. So 32 is divisible by 4. It will come in 4 table. 4 8s are 32. So 5132 is divisible by 4. Now 3134 is not divisible by 4 because see in last two digit which digits are there? 34. So 34 will not come in 4 table. So 3134 is not divisible by 4. Now divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it has 0 or 5 in its ones place. So we have to see in ones place if 0 and 5 is there, so that number is divisible by 5. See, for example, 195 is divisible by 5 because in ones place which digit is there? 5. Now, so it is divisible by 5. Now second, 8,73,500 is divisible by 5 because in ones place which digit is there? 0. So it is divisible by 5. Now next example, 36,19,573 is not divisible by 5 because 3 is in ones place. So 3 is not divisible by 5. Okay. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. In divisibility by 9, we have to do addition. If the sum of that digit is divisible by 9, so it is divisibility of 9. See, 2375. So first we have to add 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. Now 17 which is not divisible by 9. In 9 table 17 will not come. So hence 2375 is not divisible by 9. Second example, 5823. So first we have to add 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So first we have to see 18 will come in 9 table. Yes, 9 to the 18. So it is divisible by 9. Hence 5823 is divisible by 9. Now divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if it has 0 in its ones place. Only in when divisibility by 10 we will do when a number is having in ones place 0. See, for example, 17 lakh, sorry, 1,75,890 is divisible by 10 because in ones place which digit is there? 0. Now in second example, 5,18,596 is not divisible by 10 because in ones place which digit is there? 6. So it is not divisible by 10. Now next is prime factorization. A factorization in which every factor is prime is called prime factorization of the number. Means now we are going to do prime factorization in which a factor should be prime. Prime means what? Only having two factors. Means 1 and a number itself are known as the prime factor. So now we are going to do a prime factorization of the number. Okay. Thank you.